Hi, I'm Kathy from Dee's, and I want to show you one of my new favorite things. And I want to show you how easy they are to make. This is called a hoop wreath. These hoop wreaths can be done on embroidery hoops, or they can be made on a metal ring. Either one will work fine. It just depends on the look that you would like. They are all made with 1, 2, or 3 stems of flowers, so very inexpensive to make. Let me start with the basics on this. You can start out with a stem such as a mixed greenery stem. Cut off the major part of the stem and shape it a little bit. Go in both directions if you can. And then take a stem of flowers that you like. I've already cut off the stem, and lay that on top. And then just move the flowers around a little bit to spread them out, kind of going again both directions. And then at this point, you're ready to find the center of that. And I'm going to use the embroidery hoop this time. And you're just going to lay that on there and use some either metal paddle wire or some covered wire, and you're just going to wire it to the hoop. Now at this point, you can shape it a little bit to go more into a circle, semicircle. And then if you want, you can cut some pieces of another stem, such as some little flowers, just to tuck in another look and to cover up any of your mechanics, or maybe even a little eucalyptus pieces. And just add a little bit of glue to those and glue them into what you already have, and you're finished. It's as simple as that. This one, we added a little wooden welcome to. These would be great for maybe a bathroom, back door, just any small space where you don't want a large wreath. You could also take, let me move this one over here. You could also take one of our pre-made accent bows, so we do about 10 or 12 of these each season, and you can add that to either one of these wreath forms, whether it's the wood one or the metal. Add that, and maybe if you want, even a few more little stems, if that's not quite enough for you, another flower, and you have a wreath. This is just an accent bow added to the ring. They can hang this way or even like this. So very simple to do, and make them with or without a bow, any color that you want. Come see us and we'll give you a little close-up on how to do this. Thank you.